So if you are looking for a way to convert YouTube videos into really awesome blog articles, you have come to the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using a tool called Video to Blog that makes this super easy and gives you really awesome SEO optimized blog articles. So let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to videotoblog.ai. Enter that into your browser, and this is a tool I was talking about. It can take any YouTube video, convert it into a really awesome blog post. It does it quick, easy, and it gives you a ton of options to customize the output for exactly what you are trying to achieve. So the first step, once you go to the website, is just paste in any YouTube URL. I'm using this video because it's under the Creative Commons license, and it's great because I want to demonstrate a really popular feature, which is called add screenshots. Um, so I'm going to go over all of these options shortly, more in depth, but let me go ahead and enable those. And I click the button, and then boom, that's it for now. So AI is going to go look at this video. It's going to take in all the information about it, the metadata, the transcript, and everything else. And it's going to think for a little bit, and then it's going to start writing very shortly. Usually takes about 30, 60 seconds. So yeah, as you can see, it already started writing. This process usually takes maybe about 1 to 2 minutes. So while this is going, let me go back over all of the options this tool gives you, because there are some really powerful features in there that I don't want to that I think it's really important to go over. So the first option it gives you is you can offer you can input custom instructions. And what this is awesome because it gives you full access to the AI to customize the output however you want. So this is something you can treat just like if you were chatting with ChatGPT. So huge, powerful feature because it just makes sure that you're in control. You can get it to output whatever you want. So ton of different options here with this feature. If we scroll down, there's some other really cool features. You can customize the length if you're really wanting to hit a particular article length. You can customize that easily. You can also customize the language, which is huge because let's say you have a video that's in French, but your blog audience is in English. You can generate blog posts in any language you want. It doesn't matter what language the video is in. It's a great way for repurposing multilingual content and expanding your audience. And as you can see, a ton of languages are supported. So really, really powerful feature here. If we scroll down, so as I mentioned, adding the screenshots, this feature is huge because if you have a video where somebody is demonstrating something like a screen share or a tutorial or anything, this is awesome because the AI will actually go in and it will automatically pick out relevant screenshots, enter them into the blog post, and it's huge, a huge time saver. This works really well. You also have the option to embed the video if you want, and you can also select get it to add a featured image, and those can be a lot of different things. You can add an AI generated image, which works great. You can do a stock image, so the AI will actually go search Unsplash and put a relevant stock image in there for you, and the video thumbnail as well. So a lot of ways to add like your number one important featured image for the blog post. The other cool section of this is you have a lot of options to add links, which links, as you know, is huge for not only SEO but to bring more value to your readers who are reading this blog post. So this gives you the option to not only add internal links, which are links to your website, where the AI will actually go and scan and crawl your website and then add in relevant links from your own website into the blog post. But you can add external links as well, which is another huge thing because this will go through and the AI will find relevant third-party links from established domains to add into your blog post. And again, that's great for SEO. You can also add links from the video description, which is huge because a lot of creators put in really relevant links into their video descriptions. So this is another quick way to find those relevant links and to automatically put them into your blog post. If you scroll down, there's another section called writing style, and this is where you can customize everything when it comes to the writing style and structure of your blog post, which is huge because you want the blog post to sound like you. You don't want it to sound like a robot, and you want people to actually read it. And this is where you can make all of these configurations. So one, you can add a writing sample. If you already have blog posts that you've written yourself that you like, you can add those samples in here, and the AI will mimic your writing style. So very powerful feature there. You can control the tone, the point of view. You can even put in emojis. A lot of people like that. And a lot of other options. You can add in a table of contents, FAQs, a call to action, which is great if you are really wanting to promote something in your blog post. Yeah, a lot of really cool options here. And then for SEO, you have the option to optimize on a primary key phrase, which is huge. And then you have some more features in here as well. But as you can see, a ton of options. And another cool thing is that when you go and you find a configuration that you like, you don't have to go type all these in all the time. You can save it as a template so that when you create another blog post, you can just use that same configuration. So again, a huge time saver there. So let's go back to our blog post, and it looks like it got done generating. And so I'll scroll through, but as you can see, it's already looking great because we have an awesome title. We can already tell it's sectioned out really well. We got screenshots, and we have good relevant external links. So this is looking really good. What I would normally do is I would actually go through here and read it all, and then make any changes or edits that I need to. I do want to show you, for the screenshots, sometimes AI doesn't get it right all the time. So with this tool, you can just click on a screenshot, and it's going to offer you some backup suggestions that make it really easy just to click and select another relevant screenshot. So that's super convenient feature. You can also just there's another tool that just pulls up the video itself and lets you select a screenshot there. Really, really convenient. And there's also an image editor in here. So this is a good image. So, when I do these, I don't really like my face to be in there. So it's actually really easy to crop this out if you want to. So what you can do is, let me actually go, I'll remove the background first, and then I'm going to click the edit button, and then I just don't want that face in there. I think everything else is fine. I'll click done, and then boom, easily crop the image. And then if I want the background back in there, it's as simple as that. Click the button, it will add the background back in there in just a minute. So you can, not only can you use that image editing tool to crop the image like I just did, but you can use that to annotate images, which is really helpful for YouTube videos. And then you can do a bunch of other image editing with that tool. So really awesome. So once you think you have it to where you want it, you can check it. So there's a blog post score that will go and check things like readability. It will check basic SEO and readability metrics. In this case, everything looks great. We have everything. So we think this article will rank pretty well. Metadata is generated. So meta title, the slug, meta description. Also, all the alt tags for images are generated for you. And there's SEO friendly file names as well, or image file names. So it takes care of a lot of the SEO grunt work for you. So once everything looks good, you can then, now it's just a matter of, I need to publish it. How do I get it to my website? And with this tool, there's tons of options. So you can not only just download it as raw HTML or Markdown or even a Word or PDF doc, but you can export it directly to your website. So there's a ton of platforms that are supported. So WordPress, Medium, Blogger, Ghost, Wix, Shopify, Webflow, a bunch more. And this enables you, once you integrate your site, that you can publish this in just one click directly to your website. So again, super huge time saver. They also offer, we also offer integrations with automation platforms like Zapier, N8N, Make. This is super powerful. I'm gonna do another video on that, so I won't go over it here. But again, that's it. That's how you can quickly take a YouTube video and convert it into a really awesome SEO optimized blog post in a really short amount of time, and then how to take that and publish it directly to your website. So I hope you found this useful. The tool, again, is called videotoblog.ai, and I will provide a link to that tool in the video description. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks.